Welcome back to Fashion and Styles. And thank you, my subscribers. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back. I'm glad you love the styles. So in today's video, you're gonna see that it's entirely a different style, different fashion, different people entirely that you're seeing on this video. Yes, because I feel I need to share this with you. They are unique, they are beautiful, they are fabulous, they are gorgeous styles that you can actually recreate from, that you can actually kind of make it to suit your kind of own personality. So that's the reason why I'm bringing this to you. So this is from the scene of Iyabo Ojo, the actress, the Yoruba actress, um movie premiere, which is titled Under the Carpet. So when I went through it, I saw it, I was like, okay, let me share it here too, so that you won't miss out on it. And this is what this channel is all about. Yeah, I can hear someone say, thank you for bringing it here. You're welcome. So, as you can see, these are lovely people. These are amazing accessories. These are beautiful makeup, beautiful hairstyles, and things that you can actually recreate. So maybe you're going for dinner, you're going for any launching of a sort, or any outing that you can actually um, kind of recreate from, because sometimes it can be very very difficult for we, especially ladies, to choose a particular style, because we see styles every day, and it can actually be difficult for us. But when you're looking at it like this, you'll be able to, like, okay, I want my neck sleeve to be like this, I want my next neckline to be like this, I want my gown to have this color. So that's the reason why we are here. That's the reason why this channel is here for you. And I hope you can get some of the ideas, some of the hairstyles, some of the makeup, some of the accessories that you can actually launch out maybe in your next outing. Yeah. So before I go ahead, please don't forget to subscribe. Yes, you can actually tap the red button below, the subscribe button, and tap the notification bell. This will help you to know when I post. Immediately you put the first person that YouTube is going to notify. And please always try to comment. Yes, if you love the styles, let me know in this comment section if you have seen some of the styles, and if you love them, if they are beautiful, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much, and don't forget to share. Yeah, there's joy in sharing. Yeah, share out for others too, to see maybe your female colleagues, or maybe your fashion designer that you may want to use. So yeah, that's it. So let me leave you to enjoy the rest of this amazing scene.